Okay, we want to look at formatting numbers. To format numbers, we're going to select this big chunk right here, and we want them to be formatted using the number format. That means we need to go to where it says More Formats, and we can choose Number. That's going to make sure they all have 2 decimal places, and it's going to put a comma in. The other common format we use is when we have totals down here at the bottom, we use the currency format. That just adds the dollar symbols. Now, occasionally I want to go ahead and get rid of all of the penny amounts, and I can select all my numbers and use my decrease decimal button. Each time you click it, it gets rid of 1 decimal place. So I will have to click it twice if I want to get rid of all the decimal places.